Welcome to another tutorial. This is now for Sony Walkman cassette player WM-EX562. The advantage of this unit is only have one battery. We put into test. Yeah, you can listen the noise from the bell. It's good that you can listen noise. That means the motor is working, and we're gonna start working on the unit. Okay, so my best suggestion for people who don't have much experience opening these sort of units, and it doesn't matter if you have experience or not, you write down a little map of where you take the components from. So you write the word of the unit you're gonna disconnect. Yeah, this is the Walkman. Yeah, okay. And you're taking two screws from here. So let's remove the screws. While I'm working on this, I would like to ask you, if you enjoyed this video, please put a like. That will inspire us to create more videos, and also this is only a trial. I want to have a look. What is your opinion about this, and maybe start getting more video, more professional video equipment, if everything goes well. At the moment, just go with the flow. So, having removed the two screws, fall around, and there's another two screws here. Yeah, so it's always a good idea to be organized. And this is the one in the open button. Yeah, you just put it open. Yeah, and the other two screws here. It's highly unlikely we will have to remove the back cover, but if we do, we will end it with a lot of little screws, and we don't want to get confused with where the screw came from. So by doing this little map, as you can see, you're ensuring that you're gonna put everything where it's supposed to be. Now you remove the cover. Have to remove this as well. Yeah. We need a flat head screwdriver, and we remove carefully. Oh, it's coming out. Yeah, fine. Yeah, okay. Now everything is exposed. Now the test is very easy. You just pull the you start playing, and you will see that the bell doesn't have the correct tension. Yeah, so let's replace the bell. Remember, for people who doesn't have much experience doing this, take a picture. I do remember when I learned this in the 80s, 90s, when I was an apprentice. We used to draw a graphic, but now it's so easy with the cameras that you can literally just do a quick picture, and if you have any doubt later, then you are sorted. So remove this. Excellent. Make sure the bed is here. Yeah. Now let's look with a little brush. Yeah, if everything is clean around here, let's put a battery, and we're going to play. Okay, so he may need a tape to see if it's working. because this has got a switch. The switch tell him it's a tape present or no. So we need to put a tape, press the tape, and yeah, voila, it's working. Now I'm gonna check if the speed is correct, and if it's correct, it's ready for sale. We're going to do a couple of cosmetic works here just to ensure that the unit is in sound condition, and also make it look good, because as you can see, the front case, it's got a lot of scratches, so it's not gonna look so attractive. We have to make something about it. Perfect. And now if I press the button again, because this is a two direction, this should work straight away the other direction. So it should stop and listen now the other direction. FF must wind, forward, reverse, then stop. Everything works. So we're gonna put everything back. This lucky didn't involve much work. This is good. I like it when it's nice and easy. Okay, let's start with this. This, because if we have problems, then we have to remove the screws again. So, yeah, you need to find out what is the position. Yeah, so it's supposed to be here. Yeah, now works fine, perfect. Now the ones at the bottom, this is considerably easy to open, because other series it could be very difficult. We have a lot of screws, and they suggest you to do 3 or 4 of these little maps. So you always ensuring that you put the correct screws where they're supposed to be. Some screws that are longer than others, and you won't have the right grip to reach far places. On the other hand, the two long ones, you may end up damaging any of the components because the screw is just simply too long. So okay, let's see. This is high penetration oil. Just to give a shine of it. Some nostalgic people will not really care about this, the amount of scratches you will have the unit, as long as the unit is working properly and this unit is just being serviced. So that will be note, and we'll let them know to the buyer, and so the unit will add a little bit more value to it. So now look at the compartment. Yeah, it's very good. It's very good. And last test. Different tape. Perfect. So thank you for watching. Let us know what you think about this video.